This video shows how to use a LeonSol HR app. So I have already installed my app. I just tapped on an app. This asking me for the location permission. This is a prominent disclosure. HR management app collects location data to enable auto attendance even when the app is closed or not in use. And accept. Asking me for the permission. While using the app, only this time deny. While using the app, asking me for the GPS enable, so I okay. And going for the company login. Company can register and login itself by clicking on a company login. 9428010039. I have already registered in this number. 94280. Nine three eight 717. See, I have already added many employees. Here you can check attendance, leave, traveling of individual employee. I see the Umesh attendance. It's a graphical view of attendance. Present, absent, partial present, holiday, not mark, half day. It's percentage calculation of the attendance. Now I am logging out, and one more thing, leave and traveling allowance you only. Leave Kishan Pala leave. Here is the leave. This leave is added by the Kishan Pala in his employee login panel. Traveling allowance. Here is the traveling allowance. It is added by the employee login panel. Now I am logging out, and now again login in a employee login. Now go to employee login. 926504098 is a register as an employee. $903,195. Here is a graphical view of the attendance landing page. You are closer to your destination. I have get this notification by geolocation. Here is the geolocation. Here is my office address. This blue circle has been touched to that particular location, and that's the reason notification comes. HRM notification, you are closer to your destination. I am showing you mark attendance manually. So take selfie. Submit. Mark attendance successful in. Now I am showing you traveling allowance. Here is the traveling allowance. I am adding new. Travel by car, van, bike, bicycle, other transport, auto rickshaw, bus, metro, train. I am adding bus. Adding date of traveling. from Ahmedabad to Baroda, 450 rupees. Attach reference file. You can attach tickets reference attachment. It's optional thing, and I click on submit. A traveling allowance successfully. Okay. It is added. Employee can apply for a leave. Here you can apply for a leave. Add leave from date to date, email, reason. कहाँ से कहाँ तक का लीव है, email ID and reason. Here is the attendance. Here is a partial present orange. 23 date means today I have done the partially in. Now I am going to mark attendance again. It will be automatically out. Take selfie. See, mark attendance successfully out, time 2:15. It is a time duration 2:15. 2 minutes 15 seconds. It's a duration of in and out 2 minutes 15 seconds. Okay. Now again go to attendance. I can see 23 is a green, means in and out both are successfully. Here is 23 date, today date is green. In and out both. I am logging out. Before that I am showing the geolocation again. Here is all destination. All your destination added by the company backend. Company backend add latitude longitude from the backend. It will be shown here to the particular employee. Every location is assigned to the particular employee and respective location in map visible for that employee only. So I am just logging out now. And how to disable the location permission. So I am going to setting, apps, permission, location. I just denied. Lines of HR permission location is denied. If I want to again is unable, then go to denied section. It is a denied section, and lines of HR app again, while only allow this app, again it is allowed. Okay, so it's working like this. It's a Google permission. I hope you enjoyed to this video. Thank you.